Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm going to do a really quick unboxing of my latest in beauty box. Quick confession time, I actually ordered this box in December. We are now in January, so I'm a little bit delayed. However, most of the items in here are still available online. So you're not gonna see out of date products. You're seeing what you can still get. It's just, I should have done this last month, you know what I'm saying? And if I do one later this month, that's the January box. I'm just saying. Anyway, I'm behind, I'm delayed, I'm sorry. Mary was in hospital this month. It's been a month. It has been a wild month. She was really ill. She was in hospital 3 days. It was a lot. She's been getting over quite a bad respiratory infection thing. I don't even know what it was, but she was really ill. She was on oxygen and cannulas. It was horrible. It was so horrible. So yeah, I am very delayed. I don't think anybody's gonna mind, you know. I don't think anybody's like, hey, where's your latest in beauty video? But I just thought I'd explain why I'm unboxing my December box in January. Anyway, let me show you what I got because I think it's a good one. Anyway, the first thing that I got, of course, you get 6 items for £15 and you choose everything yourself. So yeah, this is my first item. This is the Dr. Lip and this is the BFF balm. I've never tried this before. I love Dr. Lip's original balm. I've never tried the BFF balm, which is actually for hands, face, body, wherever you need it. So this is full size, 75ml. It's 100% natural. I'm looking forward to giving it a go. Yeah, great. You know, when you're like, nice. Thank you very much. There was actually quite a lot of Dr. Lip in this month's or last month's box, and I bought quite a lot of it. So if you see a lot of Dr. Lip, that's because I'm a big fan and I thought I'd stock up while I could. So the next item that I got is a CBD twin pack of lip balms. These both have a tint in, they're both multi-use. Yeah, I love their lip balms. I actually prefer the original to the tinted ones. I don't know why. But yeah, I thought I'd get them and it's got a little bit of CBD in, so hopefully I will be chilled and hydrated. Okay, let's see what we've got next. Aha, yes, this is the original. This is the one I want. This is my favourite. I bloody love this stuff. This is the unscented one. This is 15ml. What's this one? Okay, this one's 15ml and this is 2 8mls. So basically the same size in this one compared to this one, just as it's split into 2. Anyway, this is my favourite. This is the unscented one. I love it. I just think it's so strong and hardcore and it works so well. At the moment I have quite sore dry lips. They did crack the other day and a little bit of blood came out, and I'm hoping times will change now that I've got this in my life. So that's that thing. And then what is next? Oh, Bare Minerals. I got a lipstick. I actually got one of these last month, but I liked it so much I thought I'd get another one. Because if in doubt, go twice. No, if it's nice, go twice. That's the expression. So this is called Courage. It's a lovely shade of red. I'm gonna do a video about it soon, but I won't do it now. But I have tried it on, it's gorgeous. And I thought I'd get myself another. Anyway, the next item that we have is the Sukin Super Greens. I think this might be my 3rd bottle of this now. It's just a really nice, rich face cream. You pump it out, you shove it on your face, all is good. You know, it's a good old face cream. I think you can use it morning and night. I know I have been. I really like it. It's natural, it's nice, a big tube, bottle, you know what I mean. And I just really like it. And it's like, it's a nice, affordable way to get a lot of face cream. And I really like the Sukin brand. Okay, what next? Aha! I think this is my 4th time getting this product. This is the Sukin Radiance Gel Cleanser. Again, I really like it. It's 125ml, so it's a nice big bottle. I keep it in my shower. It's a great morning cleanse. I can just apply it, rinse, I'm done. You know what I mean? I know that some people with really sensitive skin can't wash their face in the shower, but I can, even though I have quite sensitive skin. And I use mine in the shower every morning, and I really like it. And again, it's really affordable. Am I done? Oh, I think I'm done. I was like about to rummage to find the rest of the items, but that is it. I think I just did this box quicker than I intended. But yeah, I have 2 items by Sukin. Both are repeat products. Both of them I really like. This is the Radiance Gel Cleanser, highly recommend. And the Nutrient Rich Facial Moisturizer, again, highly recommend. Then I have the Bare Minerals. It's a miniature lipstick, but it's still got a good amount in. But of course, my favourite item is the original, which I have actually ordered in my January box too. So spoiler alert, there's another one of these coming, but I thought, why not? Let's stock up. I think these are worth about £12 on their own, so it's a good time to buy. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Goodbye.